Have you ever gone to a large aquarium where you go in the building and you see all the fish and the sharks and just take a moment? You'll remember on some level that you were like in a state of awe. You'll notice that you are just watching. You're watching the fish swim by. You're focusing your attention in a laser beam way that you can't think about anything else. So when you walk into a building and they're gigantic, huge tanks, you find yourself in a slow motion, mesmerized experience of relief, of space. Your breath would slow down. This switches your perception so that the mind is not in the way. And you find yourself resting in this peace of calm timelessness. So I'm going to invite you now on a little journey. It is the serenity of the aquarium. So take a moment to just kind of gather yourself because you're making a discerning choice to say, I'm not going to be in the thinking mind right now. I'm going to take a break and breathe. See if you could take this moment in this journey and relax into your body. Feel your feet. Feel your feet. And bring that energy down into the very soles of your feet. And allow the feet to connect with the ground, even if you're lying down. Just imagine that the roots that your field goes further than just the bottom of your feet. And that goes all the way into the ground. And the ground meets you and connects. And it starts pulling the energy down from the top of your head all the way into the ground through your feet. You might want to place your right hand on your belly, your left hand on your chest, or you could have both hands in either place. You're bringing your awareness into your body right now. So you're sitting into you or lying into yourself. You're laying into your body. When you start to focus like this, your breathing will naturally slow. See if you can bring the part of your body that was hovering outside of it, which is what I call like the Casper, the friendly ghost syndrome, where you're out of your body partially with your thinking. You're not grounded. And so Casper, the friendly ghost, is half hanging out, trying to leave the body because of discomfort or things you don't want to experience or feel or think about. And we're going to do the opposite. I want that Casper, the friendly ghost, the image of your spirit leaving the body partially. Pull it down in to match the feet and to connect with Earth Gaia, which is the energy of the earth. And now in doing so, you're actually creating a torus field around you so you can begin to receive through noticing. Make sure that your spirit fingers are aligned with your fingers like gloves and your toes and your feet like socks. So your belly button matches and your eyeballs match and your butt crack matches. Fitting into yourself, fully committing to that, being present with your hands on your plexus solaris and your heart. Now, Imagine that you are watching the fish tank, whether through memory of having been there or placing yourself in front of a huge, as far as you can see, above and below and to either side, a fish tank. You're totally safe and protected. And there are sharks and fish of all kinds harmoniously swimming in around and around and around, very slowly. And it's captured your attention. There's only you looking in. And there's no thing for you to do other than watch. Just watching. If you notice you're jumping into your head, move the energy from your thinking into where your hands are touching your belly or heart, and also move the energy back down to where the earth energy is meeting your feet and it's pulling the energy down. So now we're multi-focusing, but I want you to still pay attention to how it feels now to what you're experiencing. Feel the feeling, which is going not to be in your head, but going to be your solar plexus, the upper abdomen. Can you feel how you are not involved with the sharks or the fish or the dolphin or the water? See if you can feel the spaciousness instead. Yeah. Can you see and experience that you're merely an onlooker, purely witnessing something without participating, without being involved? Keep your energy in the lower part of your body and be present to your belly, your wisdom well. Is there a sense of spaciousness? And breathe slowly in and slowly out. Put your attention back to your belly, your gut feelings. Notice that there's a resting, a restfulness that you're experiencing with open space all around you as you witness what is here and now. Relax, relax, relax. Relax into your feet, into your lower legs and knees, your thighs and hips, your pelvis and torso, shoulders, arms, neck, jaw, face, brain, and your hair, the totality of your inner world, open, spacious, calm. And just allow what is here to be here and no wanting to change any. Allow. Could you be free to allow what is here? And if you're resisting, could you allow that to be here too and stop fighting it? Pay attention to the center of your belly. And could you simply allow what is to be? And if you're noticing something is leaving, a feeling or sensation is leaving, could you allow for the ease to be here and now? It's stupendously natural, superbly efficient, spectacularly easy, practical, clean, and open. And connect back with the center of your center if there was some resistance. And as you do that, notice if you could let go of wanting to hold on to resistance. Stay out of your head. Don't figure out the words. Could you let go of the resistance and allow it to be easy? Could you? That's it. And can you now rest in this space of open peace? It's the quietude, the stillness, where all of your answers and growth lie, waiting for you to connect. Very good. So now you are in a place, if you'll notice, that is a receptive place. It's a space of being. You're allowing ease, therefore receptive. And when this happens, you are remembering how to be yourself. There is a great quote that says, "When I stop struggling, I float. It's the law." And it is a universal law that most of us are not accustomed to implementing into our lives. So you've been getting your aqua vibe on right now. That means you've been stopping the struggle. You've stopped the resistance. You're not fighting and instead relaxing into your body and remembering how to float. And because this is so lovely, I thought I would make something specific for you who would like to have this as your own downloadable recording, a 20-minute timeless tune-up recording. And I have an Aqua Vibe Serenity guide that goes with it to help shift your perception from the grind into ease. We are so used to pushing ease away. That is the abundance we're also pushing away. It's also the prosperity that you are not receiving. So our perception shifts, opens us up, and then we can remember how to float. And in time, floating becomes like a smooth glide through life. And yes, there's a little bit of practicing it because this is practicing freedom. It's practicing living in a higher frequency. And I welcome you in, and I'm ready to work with you more and connect with you And share this with your friends or family who may enjoy this as well. And I will be seeing you very soon. Have a beautiful day, and until the next time.